This is a MacBook Pro 15-inch battery teardown. We'll show each step safely. You need a pentalobe screwdriver, tri-point bit, spudger, and safety gloves. Shut down the MacBook and disconnect power before starting. Wait at least 60 seconds. Remove the rear screws and lift the lower case using a gentle, even motion. Inside, you'll see the large battery pack, adhesive strips, and the connector board. Warning: lithium batteries can ignite if punctured. Avoid sharp tools and apply caution. Use a plastic spudger to carefully pry up the battery connector from the logic board. Pull adhesive tabs slowly, keeping tension parallel to the battery to avoid tearing. Gently lift each battery cell once adhesive releases, supporting the pack with both hands. Identify and label the battery pack, connector, adhesive strips, and protective shields. Do not throw batteries in trash. Recycle at an authorized facility or return to Apple. Subscribe for safe teardown guides. Captions are enabled. Thank you for watching.